Understanding, impose on someone, a guide for English learners. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a commonly used phrase in English, impose on someone. This phrase can be a bit tricky to understand and use correctly, especially for those learning English as a second language. So, let's explore its meaning, usage, and nuances to help you master this phrase. The phrase, impose on someone, generally means to ask for or expect someone to do something that might be inconvenient for them. It's often used when you're concerned about being a burden or causing trouble to someone else. The key element here is the potential inconvenience or burden on the other person. To understand this phrase better, let's look at some examples. 1. Asking for a favor. I didn't want to impose on my neighbor by asking them to feed my cat while I was away. 2. Seeking accommodation. She felt like she was imposing on her friend by staying at her house for a week. 3. Requesting help at work. I hope I'm not imposing on you by asking for your help with this project. In each of these examples, the speaker is aware that their request might be a bit of an inconvenience to someone else. When to use. In situations of potential inconvenience. When you're asking for a favor or help that might be inconvenient for the other person. To express consideration. To show that you're aware of and concerned about the other person's comfort or convenience. When not to use. For minor requests. If what you're asking for is a small favor that's unlikely to be inconvenient, using impose might sound overly formal or serious. In formal or business contexts, in formal or business settings, there might be more straightforward and specific ways to express your request or concern. Understanding the cultural context is also important. In some cultures, expressing concern about imposing can be seen as polite and considerate, while in others, it might be viewed as unnecessary or overly cautious. Pay attention to how people around you use this phrase and in what contexts. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, impose on someone, better. Remember, it's all about being aware of the other person's comfort and not wanting to be a burden. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be using this phrase like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!